if someone wants to move to Thailand, whether they're coming from America, from Europe, wherever, I get this kind of question all the time. They love it. They see it online. Maybe they visited once, but they don't know how to make the move here. What are like the first 3 things they need to do to get over here?
Number one, source of income. Get your money right. Number 2, visit and spend like not a 2-week holiday, but come for a couple months. And 3, get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Thailand does not care about you beyond your money. Like, let's be very clear about something. You got a lot of these old head expats who are bitching and moaning in these forums about how Thailand's changing and it's no. Thailand's just never been for you. It's built for Thai people. Legislation is made for Thai people and it doesn't serve you anymore. So you're upset about it. A lot of people come out here with no financial plan. I'm actually going to make a piece of content here very soon. There's this sister who came out here with basically no money, and, you know, living off the kindness of strangers, ended up kind of, you know, surviving. And I'm like, no, everybody's, oh, this is so inspiring. And this is so, no, it's not. It's fucking stupid. It's stupid. Don't do it. Don't come out here without a financial plan. You need at least 6 months of a financial plan, because guess what? Most foreigners can't work here. You can't work here in certain industries. A lot of people don't know this. Like, there are industries most industries are locked out outside of a few that will allow foreigners to work in. So foreigners don't take over the country. That's why the 49% condo ownership thing exists. So foreigners don't take over the country. So people are like, oh, you know, I'll just go work in the hotels. No, you won't. Some special circumstances, but you're not just going to show up and get a job here. Maybe teaching English, and the salary, I want to say the average salary is about $35,000 to $40,000 baht a month. And
it's like $1,000 a month.
Yeah. And you're living off that. You're living off that and trying to live up to what standard? Yeah. What makes you comfortable, right? The financial part, top of the list. You got to figure your money out right. My biggest, I'm like, look, save around 20 to 24,000. Like, and this is me being super conservative. This is me. This is the big brother Eric talking. I'm like, look, if you got 20K in the bank, do it. Take the leap of go, because you have that cushion to figure it out, right? You have that nest egg, right? Thailand is a place where 20,000 goes a very long way. Very long way, especially depending on where you go. If you go to Isan, 20,000 is, you're good in Isan. Bangkok, 6-7 months is solid, good, fun living, right? 6-7 months. If you really want to live here, you're like, hey, I want to live here. Come out for 2 to 3 months and explore the country. So say do 3 weeks in Bangkok, 3 weeks up in Chiang Mai region, do 3-4 weeks on the island, go to Isan 3-4 weeks, explore the country and learn about the culture and the history. Don't just stick in these expat bubbles, because we do that often where all your friends are just other expats or retirees. Actually make friends with Thai locals who are also interested in the same things that you are. Like, I would say easily, if you take 10 of my friends, 6 to 7 are Thai. So embrace the culture in that way and learn where you fit into that place, right? In the US specifically, when something is bad or goes wrong, you can say that publicly. Like, fuck this sucks. Thailand, you can't. We don't have freedom of speech here necessarily. There are certain people and things that we can't talk about publicly, or we won't be here very long. Or we're going to have a police officer literally knocking on our door and say, hey, I saw you posted this on Instagram and TikTok. I don't know if you knew about this. There was a very popular French blogger who was running his mouth, and he was breaking some of the Thai laws about what you can say publicly. And when he went home during COVID and came back, they were like, you can't come back. Now, I think they eventually let him back in, but they were very clear, like, nah, this is our country, buddy. So come in, like, those 3 things: financial stability, come in and actually seeing what it really is like here outside of the tourist bubble, and being comfortable with being uncomfortable, really. Like, I would say those things. And I mean, obviously, we both can make a long list of things, but those things that give you a solid foundation.
The last one I think is key. Especially if you're coming from, like, I don't know, where you're, America.
Yeah.
You're very used to things being a certain way.
Yep.
And to just throw that out the window and just be open to new things.
Yeah, TIT. This is Thailand, man.
Oh, yeah. That's the phrase. This is Thailand.
This is Thailand, man. Like, and you'll hear expats say that. Like, we'll complain and bitch them on, and eventually it's going to come to, the conversation ends when you're like, yo, man, TIT. It is what it is. And you just, like, that's the expat version of Sabai Sabai.
If you like this clip and you want to watch another one, click right here. And if you want to watch the full episode, click right here.